The study that we looked into included 12 healthy, untrained females, which were between the ages of 20 to 25 years old. They had to refrain from any vigorous exercising for 11 weeks during the study. The methods that were used was a crossover double-blind design. So the morning of each exercise session day, the participants took either a branched-chain amino acid, which included the ratios of isoleucine, leucine, and valine, or a placebo, which was dextrin, at 100 milligrams per kilogram per body weight. This was taken 15 minutes before the squat exercises. The exercises included 7 sets of 20 reps, and within each set, there was a 3-minute rest interval. This was done to test 3 claims that they wanted to look into. First, the supplementation before exercise may weaken muscle protein breakdown. Second, that post-exercise amino acid carbohydrate mixture is consumed before exercise rather than after. And the third is the dietary supplements may affect energy metabolism during exercise. For the results, showed that on the second and third day in the placebo trial, there was a peak in muscle soreness after the squat exercises. On the same day as the placebo group, the branched-chain amino acid group still had muscle soreness, but was reduced significantly. With the placebo group, the muscle force during maximal voluntary isometric contractions were measured on the third day, and it was decreased to 80% of the value that was recorded under the control conditions. For the branched-chain amino acid trial, having been under the same conditions, the force was significant in the placebo group. The glucose level right after exercise with the placebo trial was elevated, but there was no significant difference between the trials at any time point. Also, the branched-chain amino acids trial did have a small significant increase in the blood ammonia concentrations. With the plasma concentrations of the branched-chain amino acids in the placebo group, it was decreased by the squat exercises, and the changes were significant. In the branched-chain amino acid trial, the plasma concentration was elevated with a peak right after exercise. The creatine kinase activity, this is to indicate muscle damage due to exercise. And myoglobin was also present, and it was shown to quickly release after muscle damage, and it was more sensitive to the muscle damage than the creatine kinase. So in the study, it was suggested that branched-chain amino acids do have an anti-delayed onset muscle soreness effect when the dose range is 92 to 100 milligrams per kilogram per body weight before exercise.